Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be making fried dumplings with saltfish and some steamed vegetable on the side. I have here 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup of cold water. Mix everything together to make a dough. Do not mix too long or else the dough will become too hard. Okay, let's begin. I will light my stove now, and I will have it on low. Then I will pour some oil in the pot. I need enough oil to cover my dumpling, almost half of the dumpling. Okay. And I will let it heat before I put my dumpling in. Now my oil is heated. I'm going to put some dumpling in. Okay, then I'm going to cover and let it fry for about 3 minutes on one side. I have a look now. I'm turning them. Another 4 minutes, and I'm still covering them. I want them to be soft. Okay, they are ready now. I will take out these. I will put the rest in. I have some oil heating here, and then I will add some onion, some red sweet pepper, some green sweet pepper, some tomato, I'll turn my stove low, then I will saute these. Okay, I go ahead and add my saltfish now. It is cook, take the scale off, take all the bones off, and then now I will add to my tomatoes and onions, green pepper, red peppers. Okay, I will add a little black pepper. Not much. Then I will cover for about 4 minutes. I will have a look now. Oh, it is ready. Looking so beautiful. It's ready. I have here some carrots, some pak choy, and some cabbage. And then I will add some onions, thyme, scallion. I will add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And I will add a little ginger and garlic, pimento. Not a lot. Then I will cover for about 10 minutes. I will just add a little adobo. Just a little. Because my saltfish is already had salt in it. So I'm not using much salt. And this is ready. This is cooked. It's good to go. Okay, this is my finished product. My saltfish and my steamed vegetable on the side, and a couple slices of avocado up there. And I'd like to show you my dumpling, how soft it is. Just look at this. Just look at my dumpling, how soft. Thank you for watching. And I hope you watch my channel and enjoy what I make.